Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Today I am showing you a very different style of shoe. So let's start. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. I am using 3 mm needle and yarn, brown color, light brown color. So first of all, I will chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and in the last one insert hook and make a slip stitch. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make double crochet into the circle. Count this one as a double crochet. So the next again double crochet. Now chain 2, 1, 2, and again into the circle, double crochet 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. Now again chain 2, again 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Now again chain 2 and make one more set of 3 double crochet. One and 2. Now again double crochet, chain 2, and into the 1, 2, 3, third one I will make slip stitch. So this is my first round. 3, 4, 4, what will we call it, 3 double crochet each in the circle. Now again 1, 2, 3, and make into the next space 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 2 chain. Again in the same space make 3 double crochet, double crochet, and again into the next make 3 double crochet, and chain 2, 1, 2, and into the same space make one more time set of 3 double crochet. So do it in these 2 spaces. Now this is my last space. So this is my second set. I did my 2 double crochet. Now I will join with the 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Now this will be the third double crochet. See, now it will look like this, it square. Now again chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and do 3 set of 3 double crochet into this space. Now again into the corner space I will make 3 double crochet and chain 2, and again in the same I will make 3 more double crochet. Now again in this space make 3 double crochet. This I did before. Now this is the corner which I will make 2 sets of double crochet. In the middle 1 set of 3 double crochet. Now I complete my 3rd round. Now I will do little bit different. See, 1 2 3 and do 1 count it 1 double crochet in the next, count 2nd in the next stitch, 3rd. When I come here I will make 3 double crochet in the corner, into the corner, and 2 chain. Again in the same space I will make 3 more double crochet. Now I will make into this set I'll make 1 2 3. See, this is my corner and this one was the middle, and make 1 2 3. This is the corner, so make it till to this end. Now again this is my 1 2 3 4th round, so chain 3 and make in the second one and into the now make in this space 2 double crochet. Now jump to the corner, make 2 and the same 3. In the corner you will make 2 sets of double crochet with 2 chain like this. Now into the next space make 2 double crochet. Now make double crochet into the next 3, 1 2 and 3. Now into the next make 2 double crochet. Now jump to the corner, so do it till to this end. Now this is my 1 2 3 4 fifth round. Now I will start my 6th round. So chain 3 and into the next stitch make double crochet. Into the next make 1 double crochet, into the next 1 double crochet, and into the next 1 double crochet. Now into the space make 2 double crochet and jump to the corner and make 3 double crochet. Then again make 2 chain and in the same space make 3 more double crochet. Now again to the next space make 2 double crochet, and now into the stitches make double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now make into the next space 2 double crochet. So make it till to this end. Now I done my 6th round, so the 7th round will be my final round. So I will chain 1 2 3, and in the next stitch I will make double crochet, again double into the next stitch, again double crochet, again double crochet, into the space make 2 double crochet, and now jump to the corner and make 3 double crochet and chain 2, and again in the same space make 3 double crochet, 2 set of 3 double crochet into every corner. So make it till to the end. Now this is my final round of my shoe. So I will cut the yarn over here and make it tight, back side. Now what will I do next? I will turn it like this from the back side. See? Now I will now this is my 5, the middle is 3. This side, this. I will put a stitch marker over here. This, and this is 5. Now this is the middle of my next side. Like this. Now I will stitch it. Now I will start from this side. So I will remove it and start my stitching. So stitch it. Now I reach to my 2 corners joined together. Now I will make little like 1 2 3 4 5 stitches like this, 1 2 3 4 5, make it like this. Now to the next side I will make 1 2 3 4 5. Now make it like this. Now I will squeeze it little bit tight here and make it tight, not too open, like this. Now I will start my stitching again till to this end. Now I am here to my stitch marker, this one is my, I will remove it. Now look carefully, push it this corner to this side like this and stitch it. Like this. Now from this side, make it tight. Now cut it. This is my wrong side. Now look, I will turn it to my right side. See, this will be my bag, the shoe sole, and now I will turn it to this side like this. Little bit more. Now my little cute shoe is ready. See how beautiful it is. Make it in by yourself for your kids, and it will look like this. See? I hope you like my video. See you in next video, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.